Hello, welcome. Once you need to remove this seat, the seat's been removed, and you can see this metal frame there. So you have to move these small hooks, and they are plastic hooks, and they can be moved very easily. Once the hook, and also you can disable the hybrid system with this switch if you want to, but you don't really need to. And yeah, and also needs to move this one side cover, and also other side if you want to move the top plastic metal cover or metal sheet. And this side cover, once removed, you can see the cooling fan is accessible. I think this is the best way to clean this fan. You don't have to take it fully off. I mean, if you take it fully off, so you can have to remove this the top cover, and which is quite a lot of work, really. There are a few 12 milli bolts there, and you have to open I think there are about 6 bolts, and obviously that will take some time. Then you will be able to remove fully this component out, but I really don't recommend this. Uh, if you do other way, the fan is inside, and that will do the perfect job as well. So it will take maybe longer to, obviously the component is not fully out. And let's get on with it. Right, this is the filter cover. As you can see, is quite dirty and messy. It's been a long time, it's not been cleaned. So this is the cooling fan inside fins, and as you can see, they're quite dirty and they got quite dust on. And this is the reason when this filter cover and the cooling fins are filled with the dust, and that triggers the lights on. So we're using a hoover to clean this filter cover, and it will take maybe 1 or 2 minutes. You can see it's very easy to do it. And once this is done, you put this filter cover back on the casing, and we will be heading to clean the filter. You can look at this casing before and now. They're a lot different. Right, so we're in the car. We're gonna clean this cooling fan, and we have to be very gentle with it. You can take small sharp plastic. I'm using here a plastic fork, plastic knife. And you have to be very gentle with the cooling fan fins. They're quite sensitive, and they are electronic, and you could damage if you use your force. So I'm using here wipes. The wipes are a bit wet. They will help us to clean nice and easy, smoothly, without using or force or any liquid in there. And you don't want to use a liquid in the electric component. Simple as that. As you can see, it's getting clean now. There are a lot of dust and inside. It will take some time, and you have to take your time to clean this cooling fan. And once this clean, and you will see the light will automatically will go off. And it is quite a simple job, really. You don't have to head to a garage or any special mechanic to do this job. You just need a simple knowledge to how to clean it. And also we we not really working on hybrid system. This is part of the battery. And then we also, you can see, we're not using any big diagnostic tool here. It's very simple and easy cleaning job we're doing here. Once the job is done, you put this cover back on nice and gently, and give a little tap on it, and using the pins back to clip this thing on. And there we go, nice and gently they're on now. Yeah, and use the bottom ones we've taken off. Okay, there we go, nice and easy. That's we're done. And we're gonna put back this back seat on, and putting this seat belt in place. Yeah, once they're in the place, you just push back in, and give a little force. Once they're back on the place, then they will click back on. And make sure you're gonna hear a click noise, and that will obviously give you sign that the seat is better clicked on, and that's what we need. You don't want to seat to be moved when somebody's driving and somebody's sitting back on the seat. And always use safety. And there we go. That was the job nicely done. Thank you guys, and see you at the end of the video.